If your kiddo treats Stone Age artifacts like building blocks, you might just have a future archaeologist on your hands. Picture this: a 4-year-old boy, eyes wide with wonder, exploring a museum. Then, a 3,500-year-old jar meets its untimely end. Oops, that's one way to make history, right? The priceless artifact never saw it coming. Our pint-sized whirlwind managed to do what time itself couldn't: shatter a relic older than most civilizations. But hey, the good news? The museum staff took it in stride. They assured everyone that accidents happen and the jar can be restored. So next time you're at a museum with your little explorer, just remember, history's fragile, but memories, they're priceless. Explore life's wonders, because sometimes the past and present collide in the most unexpected ways.